On the point of American healthcare being a little bit uneven based on who it reaches and how and the quality of care that they get and what they have access to, frames can still be relatively expensive. And I feel like what you guys have done as a company in a for-profit sense is great technology, good distribution, and I think it's a great product. But for a lot of folks who don't have money or insurance or access to it, getting this prescription isn't going to be the entire process. And you guys can't take that on because that's not your job. But are there any major charitable groups or programs that you could maybe supply a handful of Eyebot kiosks to allow them to bring them on the back of a truck or whatever to places where they're needed to give you guys the ability to help more people faster than you might be able to with a more traditional commercial only rollout?
Yeah, exactly. So we are actually in discussions with multiple organizations, including the WHO, and I mean, there's so
Good.
much opportunity overseas, right? Like in the Philippines or in certain nations in Africa. Like there's
Sure.
just um, there's a lot of folks that need access to care. The statistic that I saw recently is like 1.5 billion humans on this planet right now are not seeing well, and all they need is a pair of glasses. It's crazy.
Man, for
I,
people who don't have vision problems, they don't understand how bad that can be. Now, not everyone has really bad vision, but like you can't read signs when you're driving. You can't see the fork you dropped. You can't see your kids smile when they look
yeah,
at you. Like this is a real loss. This is and
yeah,
1.5 billion people is what, 22% of the population, whatever.
yeah, exactly. And the funny thing is that as a human race, as a species, intelligent species, we figured out how to solve this problem. It's a curved piece of plastic that makes you then see well.
Yeah.
But
I
and making them nowadays, and this actually goes back to your original question about like margin. This pair of glasses that I have here right now costs $5 to make.
$5.
Yes.
Okay. What do the
They're not the
lenses
highest
cost?
end pair,
No,
but
no, no, no.
they work great for me. Now, of
Yeah.
course, there are like more specialty lenses, and if you're going to go progressives, it costs more. But in general, most pairs of eyeglasses cost less than 20 bucks to make all in, right? Like sort of the general purpose ones. Then you can get into like specialty coatings and specialty lenses, of course, but really the coatings don't cost that much money to add. I won't say what margin that is.
Don't tell me how much money I just wasted on my pair that I have coming in soon because yeah.
Yeah. So making the product, making this solution, including contact lenses, is actually very economical for the manufacturer to do. And but then why is it still so hard to get them? Right? This should be unbelievably commoditized,
Yes.
and it's not. And the big bottleneck, that's where we're stuck as a humanity, is as a species, is like getting to the numbers to getting those glasses. And
Yeah.
that is the next piece that is getting automated. You can't stop it. It's the next piece that's getting automated. It's the next piece that's getting commoditized.
Our show is filled with helpful and practical advice for founders, but there's another reason to become a regular Twist listener. Amazing deals on essential products to help you run your company more effectively. So I'm super excited to announce our new deal with Agree.com, the all-in-one contract to cash flow workflow. Go right now to Agree.com, sign up, and tell them you're a JCal listener, and they'll give you 50% off for life. Agree is the #1 fastest way to go from contract to cash. That means gathering e-signatures, invoicing, billing, payments, and revenue recovery. No more jumping between 4 or 5 different platforms just to write out a contract, get it signed, then set up billing, and start sending out invoices. 99.64% of all invoices on the entire platform are paid within just 10 days. So, if you want to stop chasing invoices, go right now to Agree.com, and if you tell them Jason sent you, you're going to get 50% off for life.